propagation I've been working on. So this is a Hoya Chelsea, so just ignore that in the middle. What I really wanted to show you is this Peperomia Hope. So I did it in two different ways in this little propagation tray. Let me show you what the full plant looks like. Oops, sorry for the shaky camera there for a second. So this is the Peperomia Hope, and it grows, some people say it grows slow, like when I was first reading about them, but honestly, these have grown super fast for me. They're succulent in nature, you can tell by their leaves, and then see that little new guy there growing in? They're really cute, and they kind of have this striped pattern on their leaves, which is just pretty. And then I've got one of our soil bar trellises, and I'm just kind of looping it around there, but you can also let it hang down, and it looks really pretty. So what I did is, I bought at the Dollar Tree 2 clear plastic trays that have 3 compartments in them. Let me try and get this a little more stable so it's not shaking. So I bought 2 plastic trays, and then what I did is I just took a piece of tape and put it along the back, and then I filled half of it with a layer of pebbles, charcoal, and then some soil mix. And then what I did is I did a little experiment. So I took a cutting from a Peperomia Hope here. You can see the stem. And this has rooted very nicely in here. See, when I tug on it, can't pull it out. And then it also has some new growth here. But the really cool thing is you can also grow them from just a single petiole. And I was surprised to see, like, here's one petiole, and that all is growth from the one petiole. Look at that. It's like its own little baby family. So I'm gonna pull this out so you can guys can see here what it's made. I'm so sorry about this camera shaking, but it's all I have right now, and I keep every time I move I bump it. So that is all like the root system that it is created from that. And I propagated this about maybe a month ago. So here's another one. So honestly, I'm gonna have to say that going with, you know, taking off individual leaves and that is a lot more fun and probably more effective. Here's the other side of the tray. Just gonna lift these out. So these are both individuals, but they've kind of rooted together almost. And wow, this one's even, look at that, it's shot up like a new shoot even. So very cool. Just wanted to share with you guys 2 propagation methods. Propagation, it takes a long time, but you know, just, you don't have to water it often. It's super fun. Put it in a window and really you can kind of forget about it for a week or 2. This will stay plenty moist, and when you do remember it, you can go and check on it and there'll be new growth, and it's like Christmas. You know, it's just a lot of fun to grow your own plants. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're interested in more planty content, and make a comment if you have any ideas on a video you'd like to see next time. Bye.